I am mullein leaf. Drink me like tea if you smoke. I clean the lungs from black terry plaque and help to expel everything with cough. I am pineapple. Eat a piece of me when you cough. My enzyme bromelain destroys thick mucus like a Minecraft pickaxe that breaks blocks. I am eucalyptus. Add me to boiling water and inhale. I will immediately open your tight airways so that you can breathe with a full chest.
I am a salt inhaler. Inhale through me. My salt dust dries the bacteria in your chest and relieves inflammation. I am thyme. Brew me in boiling water. I relieve the spasm from the muscles in your trachea to quickly stop this irritating dry cough. I am raw honey. Eat a spoon of me. I coat your irritated throat and relieve pain so that you sleep peacefully.
I am ginger. Chew me for detox. I warm your chest, speed up blood circulation, and wash out toxins from pollution.
I am water. Drink me as much as possible. I make mucus fluid so that your body can expel it without effort.